Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete an expense in QuickBooks Online. Before we begin, it's important to understand what deleting an expense actually means. When you delete an expense, it is completely removed from your records. It will no longer appear in your expense list, reports, or vendor history. Because of this, you should only delete a transaction if you're sure it's no longer needed. If the expense is part of a reconciled period or a closed month, it's a good idea to check with your accountant before removing it. Now, let's go through the steps. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, click on Expenses. This is where all your outgoing transactions are stored. Next, make sure you are in the Expenses tab so you can see the full list of transactions. Scroll through the list and find the expense you want to delete. You can also use the search bar or filters to quickly locate it. Before moving forward, double-check the details like the payee, date, and amount to make sure you have the correct transaction. Once you've confirmed, click on View/Edit for that expense. This will open the full transaction details. Now, look toward the bottom of the screen and click on the More option. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm, and the expense will be permanently removed from your records. And that's it. The transaction is now deleted, and your reports will automatically update to reflect the change. If you ever delete something by mistake, you can recreate the expense manually using the original details. You can also check the audit log to see a record of deleted transactions. As a final tip, always be careful when deleting transactions, especially those linked to reconciled accounts. If you don't see the delete option, you may need the right permissions, so check with your account admin. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.